What's up, YouTube? It's Spoomatic back at it with another video. In this one, I installed a JLT catch can in my 2012 F150 Ecoboost. It's highly recommended that you install a catch can in the F150 Ecoboost. I had mine in for about 2 weeks and it caught all sorts of nasty stuff. You don't want recycling back into your engine. So I'm very glad I did it. I got it used off somebody, but you know, it still works. So check out my video. Not really a how-to, but you can see how much oil is collected, dirty oil is collected in the catch can in only 2 weeks. And I'll say about a good 800 miles of driving. Yeah, I've been driving that thing. I love the EcoBoost so far. It's an awesome truck, good power, and just overall a fun truck. But I highly recommend getting an oil catch can. This helps with your engine life. If you want your engine to last as long as possible, I would recommend that. And I'm very glad that I got it. The only thing that I wish I got the one that goes to both valve covers. So maybe I'll be on the lookout for one of those. Leave a comment. I'm not too sure who makes the best catch can for the F150 and which design I should get, but let me know in the comments. All right, thank you for watching. I got some more content coming, some more F150 content, and I'm thinking about getting like a little retune from More Power Tuning. Those are the current tunes I have on my tuner now. I'll let you guys know how that goes. All right, and enjoy. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Remove the engine cover. You just pop up the oil cap, and this whole thing just pops right up. So the next thing you do is you take off this from the valve cover here. You just pressing this button. Pressing this button and it pulls out. And disconnect that from here too. Bam. Now your oil catch can is gonna go between these two, and it's gonna collect all the stuff we don't want in our engine. So here we go. So hey guys, a little update on the F-150. I installed the JLT catch can, and let's see, basically it goes one side goes to this part of your valve cover, and the other side goes here underneath the cover, and it bolts to your battery tray. So mine was used, so it didn't come with the correct bolt, so I just had to find like a 10mm nut and with a bolt and nut and put it in there. I don't think I'm gonna drill out the second part. Maybe I will later, but this is about, I want to say about 2 weeks of driving, and look at how much of that nasty stuff it prevented from going back into the engine. So I'm so glad I got it, because all this stuff will be going right back into the engine. So yeah, definitely worth it to get the catch can on these trucks, and I'm glad I was able to snag a deal when I bought my AFE intake. All right, so I'm gonna pour that out, and then the screws back on. So this is about like 2 weeks of driving. I don't know about mileage, maybe 1,000, maybe 800 miles or so. So yeah. So I just cleaned it out with a little bit of parts cleaner, looking spick and span. Let it dry, and then I'm gonna pop it right back up on there. All right. So we screw that back on, and that's how it looks. At first, I thought it sat kind of high, and I was scared it was gonna have clearance issues with the hood, but no, it clears fine. I get my coolant thing off. I was taking my coolant. Oh boy. Yeah, so it sits pretty much almost the same height as the coolant and the brake fluid. So it looks a bit high compared to the battery tray. But yeah, I do wish it went to both sides. I think they got one that go to both sides, but I gotta do some more research on that. Leave a comment if you know when that goes to both valve covers, or if this is good enough. All right, I'm not sure, you know, F-150 world is new to me.